Hey yo! It's Skippy from down under in Queensland, Australia, Gold Coast. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here I'm working my way out now. I've done all the tricky part. Now this is all the easy part, you know, I'm just bringing it out. Easy peasy. But there is always something to learn, DIYs, and that is why I'm here to teach you. Well, I'd like to think I'm teaching you something, hopefully. That's the waste for the bath. A bath, freestanding against the wall bath. Because the lady said to me, well, if it's out from the wall, how am I going to clean? And yeah, she's got a good point, because a lot of the freestanding baths are a little bit too close to the wall. If you got a bigger bathroom, well, they should be out a bit, I reckon. I'll just grab some more tiles, I'll be back.